In today's shopping industry, store owners are trying to reduce losses from shoplifting but are facing a multitude of challenges. These challenges range from a lack of accurate theft detection at entrances and exits to untimely event notifications resulting in inefficient security responses, as well as difficulties in retrieving evidence from law enforcement. The Dahua EAS Loss Prevention solution can help solve all of these problems. It can provide reliable and accurate shoplifting detection and alerts for stores and grocery stores provides, speeding up security guard responses. Seamlessly integrated with AI video surveillance can enhance the efficiency of related video evidence retrieval, minimizing losses.